did she go? She ran away. She didn't follow directions at all. Where did Aurora go? There she is. Can we get the cheese stand? Where did she go? Oh, there she is. Here she comes! Are you getting free? Oh, are we in this too?
Yeah, she's in it.
Where's Aurora going? What are you picking up? Please don't eat the rug. Aurora!
I can see her like running by in the background.
Now she's rolling down the hill. Well, she's trying to roll down the hill, but she's rolling across the hill.
Oh, she's not.
Not downhill at all, like across the entire hill. Hey, Booger Face. You want to walk to me? You can walk to me. I know, we watched you. Yep, let me get Jet. Alright, go ahead. Don't hit her with the door. Oh, sorry, Jet, you're down. There you go. Let's walk. Step. Good job. Yeah, good job. Come on. Yep. You can do it. Oh, sorry. Are you going to be a cat again?
Yes.
Okay.
You need to walk somewhere else.
Alright. She doesn't want to walk anyway. She wants to sit.